my name is Chelsea Ketchum, and I'm a primary music leader from Rochester, Minnesota. I saw on the Facebook choristers page that many other choristers wanted to learn how to use American Sign Language to teach the kids in their primary. I am a child of God, because that's the 2018 theme. This is a tutorial for the first verse and the chorus. Tutorials for second, third, and fourth verses will be separate videos. Some things to remember about American Sign Language is that not every word is going to be signed. I have tried to give about 3 signs per line. The first word we're going to make is I. I'm going to make a finger spelling I and hold it to your chest. I, and then child. Have the children pretend they are patting the heads of other little children. And then God. For God, you take your hand kind of at an angle and go up and then come back down with your palm facing outwards. So I am the child of God. And he being God, he has sent, make a hill with one hand, with the other hand you're going to send a ball out, has sent me here. Has given me, pretend you are receiving something, given me an earthly, here's the earth, here's some clouds above the earth, earthly home, pinch your fingers together, home is where you eat and where you sleep. Has given me an earthly home with parents, here's your father and your mother, kind, you're going to make some finger spelling K's, go around once, kind and dear, hands switch. Lead me, take the hand and pull it, lead me, guide me, walk your hands, beside me, 2 fingers up straight, go in the same direction, help me, help me, find, 2 fingers, pretend you're picking something up, find the way, make a path with your hand, teach, pretend you're holding a graduation cap, teach me all, this hand comes up and in, all that I must do, 2 C's, go back and forth, to live, make 2 L's, live with him being God, so up, back, someday, make the ground, have your hand up, and it goes down, someday.